Good morning students, this is your accounts class. Today we will start new chapter, issue of share. I hope that after exam now you will be fresh. So let's start a new chapter, issue of share. Very important chapter this is. In final exam, near about 15 marks paper will come from this chapter. Issue of share. In +1 in company account chapter, you have done all the theories related to company. That what is company, features of company, that all theory same in this chapter. That we will do later on. Today we will start the numerical portion. Okay. As you know that any company's capital, company start करने के लिए जो money चाहिए होती है, that is known as capital. Company's capital is divided into small parts and smallest part of the capital is known as share. Company invite the public for purchasing the share. Public give their application. Then after that, according to the situation, company issue the share to the person, those who have applied. Okay. So, if total share is of ₹100, then company will not call all the money altogether with the application. There can be 4 part of a share. First is share application. That money company demand from the apply with the application. Like it can be 30. कंपनी एप्लीकेशन के साथ 30 रुपीज जो है वो मंगवाती है. आफ्टर दैट कंपनी अलाउड द शेयर, कंपनी उनको शेयर देती है. अलाउड करना मतलब शेयर देना. देन कंपनी अगेन नेक्स्ट इंस्टॉलमेंट कॉल फ्रॉम शेयर होल्डर. आफ्टर जब उनको शेयर अलॉट कर दिए जाते हैं देन दे बिकम द शेयर होल्डर. ओके. तो कंपनी शेयर होल्डर से अलॉटमेंट मनी कॉल करती है. लाइक it's 20. It's given to you that how much money of application, how much money of allotment. After that, third installment can be share first call. Company can call all the pending money 50 rupees with the share first call. And company can make the second call also. It's on wish of company. Okay. Share final call. It can be 25 and 25 rupees. So these are the part of a share money, maximum in 4 installment and minimum in 2, application and allotment. It's on wish of company that company can divide the total money in first call or final call or not. Okay, minimum 2 and maximum 4 installment. These accounts are share application and share allotment, share first call, share final call. All are personal nature account. Because they represent all the shareholder. Company, for example, 1 lakh person issue for share, then company will not open that separate account of each shareholder. 1 lakh account will not open. Company one make combine account share application for all the shareholder. Share allotment also for all the shareholder and same like this. So these are the personal nature account because they represent the shareholder. So it's a representative personal account. Okay. So company share capital, company capital is known as share capital. Okay. And capital is divided into share and share is divided into these 4 parts. Okay. You know that registration of company is compulsory. Without registration, no company can start So at the time of registration, one registered capital is should be mentioned in the registration form, that known is authorized capital. इसको हम authorized capital भी बोल देते हैं, registered capital भी बोल देते हैं, and nominal capital भी बोल देते हैं. This is given to you, but only this capital will be shown. Only we have to show this capital. इसका हमें कुछ नहीं करना. Only this capital only we will show in the balance sheet, because we haven't received this capital. This is the maximum capital that company can issue in whole life. कंपनी अपनी पूरी लाइफ में जितनी मैक्सिमम कैपिटल इशू कर सकती है, दैट इज नोन एज ऑथराइज्ड कैपिटल. ये अभी तक कंपनी को मिली तो नहीं है ना, दैट मनी कंपनी हैज नॉट रिसीव्ड टिल नाउ, सो वी कांट शो इन द अमाउंट कॉलम. दिस कैपिटल इज ओनली वी विल शो, इसे हम सिर्फ शो करते हैं दैट हाउ मच इट इज द ऑथराइज्ड कैपिटल ऑफ एनी कंपनी. ओके, आफ्टर दैट कंपनी issue the like authorized capital is 10 lakh share. कंपनी की अथॉराइज्ड कैपिटल 10 लाख शेयर्स की है. कंपनी इसमें से 5 लाख शेयर्स जो है वो पब्लिक को इनवाइट करती है परचेज करने के लिए. सो दैट इज इशूड कैपिटल. हाउ मच शेयर्स company has issued to the public for purchasing. कंपनी ने इनवाइट किया है पब्लिक को शेयर खरीदने के लिए, दैट इज इशूड कैपिटल. दैट ऑल्सो वी विल नॉट शो इन द अमाउंट कॉलम, बिकॉज कंपनी ने अभी इनवाइट किया है. कंपनी हैजंट रिसीव दिस मनी टिल नाउ. दिस इज द शेयर, लाइक 1 शेयर ऑफ ₹10. Then 1 crore is the authorized capital, and 50 lakh rupees is the issued capital. अब कंपनी जब पब्लिक को इनवाइट करती है 5 लाख शेयर्स के लिए, then there can be 3 situation. कंपनी can receive the application 5 lakh. 5 लाख की एप्लीकेशंस भी आ सकती हैं. लेस देन 5 लाख 4 लाख 95,000 की एप्लीकेशंस भी आ सकती हैं. मोर देन 5 लाख 5,20,000 की भी एप्लीकेशंस आ सकती हैं. सो व्हेन कंपनी रिसीव द एप्लीकेशन इक्वल टू द इशूड कैपिटल, देन इशूड कैपिटल एंड सब्सक्राइब्ड कैपिटल, जितनी कंपनी के पास एप्लीकेशन आई हैं, that is known as subscribed capital. Okay, if company has issued 5 lakh shares of ₹50 lakh and company has received application of 5 lakh shares, then issued capital and subscribed capital is equal. If company has received less than 5 lakh shares, एप्लीकेशन कंपनी के पास कम आई हैं, सो दिस इज अंडर सब्सक्रिप्शन सिचुएशन. एंड इफ कंपनी हैज रिसीव्ड मोर देन दिस इज ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन. ओके, सो दिस सिचुएशन इज अंडर सब्सक्रिप्शन एंड दिस सिचुएशन इज ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन. फाइन. तो वन टर्म इज होती है दैट इज मिनिमम सब्सक्रिप्शन, यानी कंपनी के पास मिनिमम एप्लीकेशंस कितनी आनी चाहिए सो दैट कंपनी कैन कंटिन्यू द फर्दर प्रोसेस फॉर इश्यू ऑफ द शेयर. दैट इज 90% ऑफ इश्यू कैपिटल. कंपनी हैज इश्यूड 5 लाख शेयर, सो 90% ऑफ 5 लाख 4,50,000 shares is minimum subscription capital. If company has received like 4,40,000, less than 4,50,000, then company has to return all the application money, and again company can invite the public for the issue of share, purchasing of share. So that issue will be cancelled. Okay. Now in this situation, company has received 4,95,000. Then company can continue for the further process of issue of share. Okay. What is the process? उसके बाद company subscribe capital के बाद what is the next capital? That is called up capital. Next is called up capital. What is a called up capital? Like one share of rupees 10 and company has called till now only application, allotment, first call and final call. These are the part of share. This is rupees 3, 2, 3, 2. Company has called till now these 3 installments, 3, 3, 6 and 2, 8. So called up capital is rupees 8 per share. If company has received 5 lakh applications, then 5 lakh multiplied by 8, 40 lakh is the called up capital. Okay. So sometime any shareholder not pay, मान लो कंपनी के पास 5 lakh shares हैं and 10,000 shares not pay the first call money. कंपनी ने कॉल की, शेयर होल्डर ने नहीं दी. That known as calls in arrear. So calls in arrear is that money which has not been received by the company from shareholder after called. ठीक है? So calls in arrear, if from called up capital we will less the calls in arrear. 30,000 we will less from 4 lakh. Then total money 39 lakh 70,000 is that money which company has in hand. कंपनी के पास इन कैश में जो शेयर से रिलेटेड मनी है that is 39 lakh 70,000. So this is known as paid up capital. इतनी कंपनी को पे कर दी गई है. क्लियर? ओके. सो दिस इज अथराइज्ड कैपिटल, मैक्सिमम कैपिटल जो कंपनी इशू कर सकती है अपने लाइफ टाइम में. इशूड कैपिटल, अथराइज्ड कैपिटल में से जितने शेयर कंपनी हैज इनवाइट टू द पब्लिक फॉर परचेजिंग एंड हाउ मेनी शेयर्स ऑफ एप्लीकेशन रिसीव्ड कंपनी, दैट इज नोन एज सब्सक्राइब्ड कैपिटल. And subscribed capital में से how much money that company has called, that is called up capital, and how much money that company has received, that is paid up capital. Okay, clear? So after that the basic journal entry of this chapter, issue of share, that will come in every question. Total installments, application, allotment, first call and final call. These are the 4 installment. Okay. So these 4 installment will be called by the company from shareholder one by one. Or company can call the collectively, sometime application and allotment इकट्ठी मंगवा लेती है. ठीक है. फर्स्ट एंड फाइनल कॉल कंबाइन कर देती है. ओके, दैट कैन बी सो मेनी केसेस. ओके, दैट वी डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. सो टुडे यू हैव टू लर्न ओनली दैट द बेसिक थ्योरी ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, दैट हाउ मेनी टाइप ऑफ शेयर कैपिटल. ओके, so next we will do in the second lecture. So this is the first lecture of issue of share. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.